Welcome back to my channel, you guys. You already know I'm back with another video. Here we go. Today I'm going to be changing it up and applying this red wig to my head. This wig on the camera looks like it's orange, but it's actually supposed to be like a fire red. So in dimmer lightings it looks red, but like in bright settings it almost looks orange. So bear with me when I apply this wig. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I had purple hair, so I'm trying out red today, and soon I'm going to be trying out pink. Also, the video after this that will be coming soon, I will be trying to make a look out of this red hair, so stay tuned for that. As always, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to get straight into it. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave any comments down below if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I use or any future videos you guys have ideas for. Also, if you guys have any other colors you guys want me to try out, let me know down in the comments down below, because I'm trying this new thing called color. And you guys know I wear dark hair only, so therefore any color is crazy to me. So go ahead and let me know down in the comments down below, or probably contact me off of my other social media platforms and let me know any colors you guys are thinking of or you want to see on you but you just don't want to buy. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this video.